How to YouTube language change. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel name. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Language. Here you can select your preferred language from the list. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on YouTube. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel name. Thanks for watching.